Hi, what's up? This is Lindsay. How are you guys? How is the quarantine going on for you guys? Are you guys surviving? I feel like I needed to put some life, some color into my face, and I went with a pink eye. That sounds pretty bad. And this week I just wanted to do something very fun for you guys. I went with this pink eye look that, let me tell you, I love. I've never done a pink eye before just because I've always been very hesitant when it comes to like pink eyeshadow. But today I was like, you know girl, sit down, try something different. So I just went for it and I did this pink bright look that I love. I cannot wait to go out and actually wear this because it's very fun, very flirty, and it's super easy to do. Pretty much just 3 eyeshadows, you blend and that is it. Pop some lashes and you are good to go. If you guys want to see how I got this look, don't go anywhere, stay tuned, and let's get started. Alright, so for today's look, I pretty much just picked up all of the palettes that have any sort of pink, just because this look I want it to be like bam bam, like just pink. So pretty much I picked up the Blood Sugar palette from Jeffree Star, also the ABH Norvina palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and the Jaclyn Hill palette with Morphe. So all of these have different shades of pink that I'm gonna go ahead and use, and I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys know exactly what I'm using. So let's get to it. Alright, so for the first shade, I am picking up the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette, and I am picking up Cavity, which is this one right here. And we're going to go ahead and use this color as our transition color. So that's going to go all over our crease. Alright, so just pick Cavity and work it all over the crease. And then this color, you're just going to go ahead and just build it up. And then don't be afraid to drag the color like really high. Just make sure to blend. Alright, so I'm just working the color in, building the color. I'm just blending this color a lot because I just want it to look like airbrush. And then don't be afraid to drag it like out because we're going to clean that up, so it doesn't really matter. So next I'm going to go ahead and pick up the ABH Norvina Collection Volume 1 palette, which is this one right here. Alright, so for the second shade, I am picking up this Neon A5 right here. And I'm going to go ahead and just place this one inside the crease. And then for this one, I'm going to go ahead and go with a smaller brush. And right now, I am just placing it. Oh, this is like really pink. I love this one. Alright, I'm kind of like cutting my crease with the shade. So that's what I'm doing first. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend. But I just want the crease to be like super vibrant. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and do the same to the other eye. Can you guys see as soon as you place the shade? Oh my goodness. And then when you place it, you can slightly blend. And then if the color does fade, go ahead and just pat some more. And then blend. Right now it looks crazy, but we will get there. Now I'm going to go ahead and pick up the first brush that I picked up. And I'm just going to blend the edges. Like, I'm not even being careful or anything. Just because I don't have any foundation, my eyebrows are not done or anything like that, so I'm just being as messy as I want, which is a good thing, doing your eye makeup first. You don't have to be like worry about any fallout or your shadow going up to your forehead, because you can just, you know, clean it up after. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more, and I'm patting and kind of blending too. Alright, so now we're moving to our third and final palette. I'm picking up the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, Volume 2. And I am going to go ahead and pick up Tipsy Girl, which is this one right here. And we're going to place this all over the lid. Do you guys see that? Oh my goodness. Alright, so I'm just patting here. And then at the edge, I'm just kind of like swiping back and forth. You can always go and just blend. I've never done like a pink eye, so I've always been really weird about like pink eyeshadow. I don't know, I just never really liked it. So I feel like stepping out of my comfort zone, and since you know it's spring, I was like, I'm gonna try to do a pink bright look. So I was like, okay girl, well, let's do this. I felt like I needed to do something fun, you know? Alright, so we're done with the shadow. Now we're gonna go ahead and move on to liner. I'm using the e.l.f. liquid liner, and I'm just gonna create a wing. Alright, so our liner is on. I'm gonna go ahead and put some lashes on, do my face, and I will be right back. Alright guys, so my lashes, my face, my lips are done. The lashes that I used were from Beauty Creation, and I reuse the Look Style. I actually bought like 3 of these, so these are one of my favorites. So any lashes that you guys have would do. And my lip combo, I have NYX lip liner in the shade Peekaboo Neutral, which is this lip liner right here, and I paired it with the Buxom lip gloss called White Russian. So these are what I paired it with. I did not want to go for a pink look just because the eyes are pretty bold. Alright guys, well that completes the video. I hope you guys enjoy this easy, fun, pink, bright look. I am extremely happy with how it came out. Something super easy, fun, playful that I am just obsessed with. It is the first time I've done a pink eye, so I was kind of nervous just because I didn't feel like my skin color went with pink, but now I love it and it's perfect for the springtime. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the week. Bye guys.